Hello, I'm Rafael. I have the pleasure of working with both Auvesy MDT as well as EFA Automazione, who they value as a primary distributor. My role is to make sure that relationships work smoothly between vendor and distributor. So we see problems in three main areas. Firstly, there are more homogeneous production systems now in place, and this only leads to larger and more confusing data. Secondly, with the exploding number of different devices and manufacturers on the shop floor, this then creates a growing challenge to establish consistent and efficient processes that can easily be monitored and optimized. Third main area, and it's a really big one, is that companies still spend way too much time on manual data backup and looking for errors, searching for errors. So we see solutions in three main places. Firstly, octoplant software solution enables manufacturing independent integration of different automation technologies, from PLCs to HMIs, CNCs, SCADA systems, and even robots. The second area is with versioning and backup, it keeps automated production systems running securely and enables traceability of changes and compliance. Thirdly, to sum up, holistic asset management, intelligent asset management, protection against failures, and most importantly, simplified work on the shop floor. With 30 years of experience in the industry, I know when I find a very good distributor, and EFA Automazione is indeed it.